In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Flutterflow to GitHub. First, we'll be starting by logging into your Flutterflow account. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to flutterflow.io. Once you're there, simply enter your credentials and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But once in, you'll be all set to begin the process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open the project you want to connect to GitHub. From your Flutterflow dashboard, take a moment to find the specific project you're working on. Click on it to open it up. This setup is crucial, as connecting your project to GitHub will enable smoother collaboration and more sophisticated management of your codebase over time. With your project open, the next step is to head over to the settings. Look to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the settings option. Click there to dive into your project-specific settings. Once inside, you'll need to scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Keep an eye out for a section labeled Integrations. Clicking here is your gateway to connecting various services, and this is exactly where we want to go to link GitHub. Now, you'll be met with a list of different integration options. Here, your target is GitHub. Simply find it and click on it to proceed. Before moving forward, Flutterflow will present a message indicating that connecting to GitHub requires an upgrade to a paid plan, like the Pro or Team plans. If you're currently using a free account, this feature won't be accessible. Paid plans offer the benefit of a direct GitHub integration, which can significantly streamline your development process, especially if frequent updates or team collaboration is involved. Don't worry if you're on a free plan though, because you can still manually export your project from Flutterflow. To do this, all you need to do is head to the top right section of your project and click on Export Code. This will allow you to download a zip file of your project's code. Once downloaded, you can upload this manually to GitHub using a tool like VS Code or by employing Git commands. Although it requires a bit more effort, this manual push to GitHub is a perfectly viable alternative. As a final tip, if you find yourself needing to update your project often, or if you're working with a team, consider upgrading your account. The automatic GitHub sync, enhanced version control, and faster updates you'll experience can save a lot of time and effort in the long run.